such a long time since I've been on a cruise. It was actually quite emotional coming back on board. Luckily I managed to book Celebrity Silhouette's first UK cruise out of Southampton. I really thought it'd be useful to tell you about the testing, how it works and what's involved so you can come on a cruise. To come on a UK cruise you need to have had a PCR test within 72 hours of sailing and also be fully vaccinated. Celebrity Cruises organise all this for you. I was really worried when my test came back inconclusive, but I called Celebrity and they really put my mind at rest. The advice I was given was just to turn up at the port as normal and not to worry. So I arrived, all my documents were checked, but when I was asked about my PCR test I had to say it was inconclusive, but I was redirected to an area where PCR tests were being done at the port. So that was really good, and I was really quite amazed, to be honest, that they could give you a result in 14 minutes. After the test I was given a sticker and then continued through the check-in process. Check-in and security were just the same as they have been for any cruise, but I just had to sit and wait for my test result. Although it took a bit longer than the 14 minutes for my test to arrive, it was negative, so I was really pleased about that, and I was allowed on board. The procedures in place could seem daunting to some people and worrying, to be honest. My advice to anyone would be to book, don't worry about the processes, and just to go and enjoy the cruising that we've all missed for so long. Please like and subscribe to my channel and let me know about your experiences about UK cruising.